Hello everybody, this is Shez from Project Food Garden. As you have seen in our videos that we have uploaded on the channel, that we are growing food in pots. And today we thought of giving you a medium and deep dive of what we are growing. And we will come into the benefits and the pitfalls and the challenges of growing your food in pots. But today we wanted to show you quickly what kind of space we had and what exactly we are growing. So without any further ado, let's get on with it and show you what we have. A quick aerial view of what we are growing in pots and what kind of fruiting we are getting on the plants. Because we are in mid-season almost, so you will see fruit and you will see blossom as well at the same time. There we go. So the cherry tomatoes are like pumping a lot of fruit, as you can see. And these are all grown in pots. We are also growing dwarf varieties, where you can see that the plants they don't grow very tall, but they pump a lot of fruit. There we go. Then we have other varieties, more dwarf varieties, and then we have moneymaker. We all know what kind of fruiting we can get on the moneymaker. It's a very well-known variety grown throughout the world. And then again we have chocolate sprinkles. It's such a powerful space that we have created in our small garden. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous bunch of fruit. There we go. Some more cherry varieties. And more. And then we have other beefsteak sized tomato varieties as well. There we go. The fruit is maturing really well with time. And there we go, more cherry varieties. The sun is doing its magic and the fruit is changing color. There we go. We've got heaps of fruit on the plants, and the summer is absolutely gorgeous. There we go. So we've got some more beefsteak sized fruit. I love how the sun is hitting the fruit. It will mature everything. There we go. And then we have another cherry variety where we're getting fruit. There we go. And another petite powerhouse. So this is how the entire space looks. And not to mention, we are not only growing tomatoes, but I'm just showing you an aerial overview of the space. Look at the other goods we are growing in the garden. Absolutely gorgeous fruit. And we've got heaps more. We've been harvesting it for like almost 4 weeks now, and a harvest is due today as well. And the plants, they just keep producing more fruit. So these are our cucumbers and gherkins. Look at the size of this big bad boy. Look at that. New fruit developing. And a lot of it is now mature as well. So these are our cucumber and gherkin vines. So right after that, we've got a decent amount of fruit and a lot of blossoming in progress on our chilies and capsicums and peppers. Look at that. How beautiful is the sight of low-hanging fruit. That's shishito chili. Look at that. It's pumping really decent amount of fruit, and we've got lots of blossom on top as well. So this space has also got lots of other plants. Let's show you up close. So there we go. That's Rebel Starfighter Prime, and it is developing really decent and beautiful fruit. And we also have red grape, that's a cherry variety. And we also have yellow pear. It's maturing with time really well. One of my favorite tomatoes that I've grown for the last 3 years, Omega Black Cherry. And it's producing really good amount of fruit. And it has grown really tall. Look at that. There's blossom on top as well. Not having a garden has made almost close to none difference to Project Food Garden. That's another variety of tomatoes that we are doing, and it's developing fruit as well. That's Kellogg's Breakfast, and it has started doing its thing. It's doing really well. And then we've got other cherry varieties here as well. So this is all grown in pots, and look at the amount of blossom that we are getting. Look at that. That's a beefsteak sized fruit as well. Let me try and focus that for you. There we go. It has started converting blossom into fruit. Dwarf varieties have always been my favorite. Look at the size of these two bad boys. And there's more fruit capitalizing and more blossom. Look at the amount of fruit we have got just in pots. There we go. There we go. And there we go. Look at that. Some more varieties. All of them have now started conversion towards the fruiting cycle. We've got really good blossom on this as well. And then we have our strawberry planters on this side. We have had loads of strawberries. You can check on Instagram, Project Food Garden, and you will see how much fruit we have got on these planters. We still have got more fruiting yet to come. Look at that. This is all growing in pots once again. Such a powerful space. See, more blossom started to pop up. So let me give you an aerial view. These are our 5 strawberry planters. That's another dwarf variety, shadowboxing. It's producing really good fruit. It was a late transplant, so there we go. It's gaining height as well, but it's not going to grow any more than 4.5 foot. And then we have another dwarf variety here. How beautiful is that fruit? This is our eggplant, and it has started pumping fruit as well. And we have got 2 of these. So we are also growing aubergines or eggplants, whatever you may want to call it. Look at that. Beautiful fruit, and when it'll capitalize, we'll come back and show you that, show you the update of that as well. So these are all home germinated and homegrown chili plants. They're getting size really well. And then we have some established plants. Check out the amount of blossom that we have got, and look at the amount of fruit. This is a Apache chili, and it produces heaps of blossom and a lot of fruit. Look at that. And then we've got some other home germinated chilies. Look at the fruit. Let me try and show you the fruit on this. Have a look at that. Look at that. chilies and capsicums and tequilas, capsicum, they're all doing so well. So this is like a full sun spot which we have dedicated to eggplants and chilies. So overall, I would say that this has been an amazing season for us. We love growing tomatoes, and we love growing chilies and cucumbers and aubergines. So it's going so well this year in this space. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at that. I hope you have you would appreciate the fact that this is all homegrown and in pots. If you like the content that we have shared with you guys this season, please support us by subscribing to our channel and following us, and do leave your feedback on the content that we have shown you so far. That we really appreciate that.